how to put NGL link on Facebook story. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to put NGL link on Facebook story, open the NGL application on your device first. You will see the option for copy link. Tap on that and then move forward to step 2 and tap on the share button. Here you will be shown with the steps on how to share, so simply tap on next step until you see the option for share on Instagram and tap on that too. You will now be led to the interface from where you can put NGO link to your Instagram story. You will see the option for paste your link here, so tap on the sticker icon on the top of your screen and then find the link option there and tap on that. Now go ahead and paste the link further and tap on the done option. Now put the link in the center where it says paste your link here. Once done, tap on your story button and once the story is shared, you will see the Facebook icon. Simply tap on the Facebook icon now. If you open Facebook, you can see the story has been shared to Facebook too. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.